In the bustling city of Mecca, the sacred call of the Hajj draws millions each year. Amongst the sea of believers, Bahia, a seasoned reporter from Britain, finds herself treading unfamiliar soil. Sent by her magazine to cover the event, she approaches the task with curiosity and professionalism. Mecca, with its blend of ancient tradition and modernity, provides a backdrop that offers layers to unravel. As Bahia stands amidst the pilgrims, a wave of humanity surrounds her, each face holding a tale of devotion and joy. She watches as believers perform tawaf, circling the Kaaba in harmonious movement. Each step echoes with faith and unity, a dance transcending cultures and languages. Bahia raises her camera not to capture faces but the emotions that transcend visible borders. The solemnity of Arafat holds her breath as she witnesses the day millions beseech divine mercy. The air is heavy with prayer. It's a moment Bahia finds ineffable, a silence speaking volumes. Here, she interviews Layla, a pilgrim from Jakarta, who shares her transformative experience. Layla's eyes gleam with the light of spiritual cleansing, a tale Bahia ensures to articulate beyond religious dogma. The journey continues to Mina, witnessing the Rami ritual. The metaphor of casting aside evil resonates with Bahia. It feels universal, transcending specific religious tenets. She observes families holding together in unity, their hands casting stones as barriers to negativity. At each step, Bahia realizes Hajj is more than rituals, it's a conduit for humanity. Her writings, filled with anecdotes and reflections, soar beyond religious boundaries. It isn't merely faith she uncovers but human connection, a shared journey of hope and transformation. The experience wraps Bahia's perspective with a newfound respect for belief and unity. Once an observer, she becomes a participant in a global tapestry bound by peace and the quest for a better self. Through her narratives, Bahia gives voice to experiences that resonate beyond doctrines. Bahia realizes that the essence of Hajj is about returning to one's roots, finding clarity and purpose in unity and devotion.